Former Finance Minister of Meghalaya and also former Chief Secretary to the Government of Mizoram, Aubrey Herbert Scott Lyngdoh, passed away on the evening of 7th March 2023 at his residence at Pohkseh, Shillong. Lyngdoh, who was 93 years of age, had passed away due to old age and is survived by his wife and 4 children and grandchildren. Fondly known as Scott Lyngdoh, has contested the election to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in the year 1993 and 2003. The former MLA's body will be laid to rest on 9th March 2023 at the Jaiaw Presbyterian Church Cemetery at Weiking, Jaiaw.